This beautiful 1-1/2-story home, built by Ram Construction, is located in the Highlands subdivision, which is nestled in the woods between Warrensburg and Whiteman AFB off of DD Highway. The huge living area spans 19 by 17 and has great-looking hardwood floors that contrast beautifully with the white trim and a breathtaking stone fireplace. The open-concept kitchen also has hardwood flooring, but the real star here is the striking tile backsplash, granite countertops and staggered white cabinets. The cathedral vaulted master bathroom measures 14 by 16 feet. It has ample wall space to accommodate even the largest bedroom furniture and has a private full bath and walkout door to the deck. The master bath has a double vanity, a throne room, tile shower, jetted tub and a large walk-in closet. What more could you ask for? Wait for it, okay, here's the best part, in my humble personal opinion, the view. You can literally see 4 miles from this deck, and, added bonus, you get a great view of the lights of Warrensburg at night.